Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We are in Old Town Valencia today, and we are going to be tourists in our own town. So we are going to hit a couple of the most famous spots in Valencia, and we're going to get something good to eat, of course. So let's go grab some lunch. It is 2 o'clock. Let's go.
Here. Look at this building and the tree. So gorgeous.
Alright guys, we have made it to our lunch destination. We are at Tago Mago. This is a fabulous place to grab a bite to eat. They have a very good menu, lots to choose from for their menu of the day. And they have delicious wine. You can get it from 3 or 4 different regions.
Exact pour.
An exact pour. So congratulations to them. So we have ordered the menu of the day. It's 13 euros. Great price for the quality of food you get here at this restaurant. We are in a beautiful plaza right now. It is a little shady, but luckily, warm cures everything.
Warm cures everything.
Cheers.
I always get excited when I can eat food with chopsticks. So this is a Vietnamese roll, first course of the menu del dia. We've actually had this before. This is one of our favorite places, and this is really good. It has a duck, avocado, and some mayo sauce and some greens in there with the rice paper. Very light, refreshing. Duck just melts in your mouth. It's really delicious.
I got the burrata salad because this thing looks fantastic. It has candied tomato, looks like some Valencian orange, basil, and black olive honey. So let's give it a go. Wow. That's fabulous. Citrus coming through, candied tomatoes, very good. I might have to make this at home. This is so good. Iberian ribs, guys. Oh, they're here. So these are some Spanish pigs that they have made into some delicious barbecue. Slow roasted, barbecued. Stop. That is good. Delicious. Smoky, tender, a little crisp on the edge, flaky salt. Fabulous.
My chopstick journey continues. They have some Asian fusion food here, which is great. So these are noodles. Ooh, look at this. It's like with some beef, I think?
Lamb.
Oh, it's a lamb. Okay. Another good thing about this place is like every time we come here, they always have something new in their menu. It's kind of like a change it up, so it's always good. So this is new. It's not too lamey, which is always a plus. Good flavorful noodles. Delicious. I got mango cannellini. I think it's very interesting. It's almost look like it's wrapped around with some sort of a mango piece and has like a mango cream and some, these are bananas. Sweet, soft, tastes like low carb.
I have transported myself to Key West, Florida. I have a key lime pie. Actually, I think it's just lime pie, but in my mind, it's key lime pie. So let's give it a go. I'm in the tropics.
guys, so this is actually next day. We're picking up right where we left off yesterday after lunch. Basically a lot of things that we wanted to go or close, so we kind of made a change our plan. Come back here today. So we're right here, we're at the Plaza de la Berjen, where this beautiful church behind me. You know, this is a place we've been here so many times, but we never went in this church. So today we're gonna try. So let's go.
Por Jesucristo nuestro Señor.
This is probably one of my favorite spots in Valencia. I've been here many times, it just never gets old. Like sit here looking at this beautiful architecture, cathedral, fountain, just kind of people watching. There's always some sort of music playing. This is life, guys. It's great life in Valencia. We have one more place to show you. Let's go. For all those times we have not been here, so let's go check out the view. More stairs. Another view. Nice. But this is not over yet. All right, we're gonna go up to the top. Let's go. I feel warm now. I think I can take my jacket off.
Alright guys, so we are at Serrano Towers. It is one of the 12 gates here in Valencia that basically form the wall protecting the city. Now, this gate was built in the 14th century and a hell of a workout after you eat a giant bocadillo. So get your butt up those stairs.
So this side, you get the city view, and the other side, you get the view of Aturia, right there. So it was pretty cool. I loved being a tourist in my own city.
Yeah, a lot of fun, you know. There's still a lot to see in the city. So
I'd say that probably this series continues.
Yeah, we're definitely going to be showing you guys more
Yeah.
of this beautiful city. Now, we know a lot of you out there are not subscribers, so help us out and hit that subscribe button.
Yep, until next time.
Adios!
Adios.